Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the Great British Pound today, because actually it's not much progress among the major currencies. So the Euro currency also stands flat, and Great British Pound as well. So other majors also do not show any significant action. So on the Great British Pound, we're watching for price standing around this is monthly pivot, and this market has completed the minimum target of the 3 drive. Now is the second question: what will follow next? Whether the market will continue to move higher, or we will see the downward reverse and downward continuation. In the same situation right now, euro stands. So currently, as I have mentioned in today's euro video, it will be a bit nervous period within the week, I suppose, because as you know, Donald Trump has arrived in Brussels. He will talk with the European Union leaders on the perspective of the mutual relationship. On Monday, he will meet Vladimir Putin in Finland. So it will be the period of big speculation in the mass media on the results of this meeting. Different rumors could appear. So it will be a bit tough time for currencies as well. Currently, as you know, the Donald Trump is not getting on tariffs, and it's now $200 billion tariffs. 10% tariff stands on the table against China. European Union right now are watching on this situation, and also think about the perspective and relationship with the European Union, what the trading and market with the United States will be. So it makes investors be nervous, and it's understandable. So that all this stuff could find some expression in on the price behavior of different currencies. So currently, as you can see on the Great British Pound, yesterday and today, market stands shows inside sessions. So some tight consolidation stand inside the Monday action. It's a real big political collapse in Great Britain, and this has led to drop of the Great British Pound. Yesterday we have talked on the perspective of 3 drive sell pattern, and it has been completed perfectly. So you can see that is our ABC retracement. We said probably OP will be completed around 618 resistance usually, and market then should show the downward action. Indeed, that has happened. So you can see this drop has followed. Now, when this price action is completed, we're turning to greater pattern and its perspective. So currently it's still unclear yet whether it will be formed or not, because simultaneously to this pattern, market is also forming this kind of, you can see, pennant or something of that sort, triangle, and mostly it will depend what will happen with this pattern, because here market could just show another leg up here, some show, or even upward continuation could follow. To keep well at this pattern that we have discussed yesterday, this potentially the hand shoulders, as you can see, market should drop below this trend line. So we need to see the collapse and start dropping down. If this will happen, market will fail to break through this 133 area and start dropping here to the downside. This will increase chance on appearing of this, I don't know how to call it better, well, let's call it as a hand shoulders or something of that sort. And in this case, if market starts dropping here and drop this through the trend line, we could get developing of this A, B, C, top, D pattern that could lead market to the 130-125 target. This will happen if market will fail to break this resistance and start dropping and break this some kind of the support line down. If market will still break this area to the upside, it will mean that it's probably previous top will be challenged and market could continue to move higher. So it will be 133.60. Well, this is important moment for overall perspective. So if you are searching chance to go short, you better to wait some breakout of this trend line support and wait the signs of the weakness. If you're like to go long and you hope that market will take it out of this top, well, maybe you could do this, but we don't have here clear bullish patterns. Maybe stop entry order could be placed on the breakout of this area to the upside, or just control your risk and move and place your stop somewhere below the trend line that stands here, because in any breakout here will mean that probably cable could drop further. So unfortunately, guys, while market stands inside of this major swing, we don't have the clear understanding on what action will follow, because we don't have the sufficient clarity to talk about it. That's why currently we just could keep watching on some minor patterns that could be formed. It's the same as the situation on the euro currency. While we're waiting for the big clarity, we're watching for the minor patterns. So that's the major conclusion that we could make currently on the Great British Pound. And right now we have this look-alike head and shoulders pattern stands in focus for 1-2 trading sessions, whether this will be formed or not, because it provides meaningful on target. So this market stands 133 almost, 132.80. This will be 131.25, so not bad distance, if of course it will work. So let's keep watching and see what will happen here.